Hi folks, welcome to another exciting Third World Garage video. Today we're going to be unboxing something very special, coming from a former Ukrainian Soviet Socialist Republic, current day Ukraine, actually out of the city of Kiev. We have this item, taken out of our original Soviet bag. Well, actually I think this one's probably a little newer than the Soviet Union, because that died in '91. And we have that. If you're wondering what that says, it says Radiacmeter Sintex, or something to that effect. And this used to be a symbol of the Soviet Union. It would say CCCP inside there, but it looks like somebody stamped over it. So it's probably came out right after the fall. And you can see we have very helpful schematic in either Russian or Ukrainian, neither of which I read, but I do have family members who read it. This is where my family came from. And we're going to try to find a date here, and we have this code here. Thinking this is calibration date of 05 of 93. So probably it was made in 93 or so. That's probably the serial number. Similar writing in the one of my other Soviet pieces right here. This one from 1991 or 1990. So it was actually made during the Soviet Union. So let's see if we can compare writing there. Nope, sure can't. Doesn't seem to have an analog. Anyways, now down to the meat and potatoes. I bet you're wondering what's in this box. Well, let's see. A nice, interesting little styrofoam box. Kind of complicated. Something you wouldn't expect in a piece of Soviet electronics. And, oh wow. Order this, you get a discount on a Chernobyl zone tour. And it is that. Now let's see here if it's got any batteries in it. No. It's kind of a dosimeter, I think. But I had to add to my, yeah, there we go, 05 of 93. There's the serial number. So that's probably what that is. Again, one of those languages just like Chinese that I kind of wish I read for no other reason than I order so many things from those countries. Why not American? Even though I'm definitely not a never-Trumper. America doesn't have as much interesting crap as the rest of the world. At least not for me. I mean, you can get an iPhone here and things like that. Polished and boring kind of normal middle class sort of fare. It's not a very good quality plastic, by the way. Very, very cheap feeling. For some reason, they chopped off most of the thickness of those two tabs, so I'll have to be careful. But when it comes to wacky and weird, you gotta go to other countries. Although I'm sure they say that about us. I believe those are going to be double A's. We got this fresh pack of them right from the dollar store. And that is one hell of a spring on there. Holy crap. Not so much there. Not so much there. You can see that we have 0.00 that. Now, let's see if we can find something that's a little bit hotter than this, because there's not that much background radiation going on. And yes, this is a radiological dosimeter because I have radioactive shit. Just like this plate. And wow, that's rather boring. It's not. Okay, we'll leave it on there. It's got a little bit of a humming noise, and just like the other one, the DP5B, it's got this kind of a wax seal in there from calibration. But if I remember correctly, this is an SBM20 style tube, which is actually the same tube as used in the... That didn't help anything. As used in the other one. Okay. Probably should have lined up a better radioactive source before I started this. But anyway, here we go. I've always got something radioactive just lying around the tool bench. Niet, comrade. It does not read anything. I'll say it's a thoroughly disappointing radiac meter. It should be telling us something here. So 1 is going to be your most sensitive, 2 middle, and 3 not so much. Yep, okay. Not seeing much of anything there. Well, that's too bad. Let's take out something else from the Soviet Union and see if we can't at least make a little noise. This too came out of Kiev. It's a little pocket radiation detector. It has the SBM10 tube inside, which is much, much smaller, as you can see. And this will... we put it right... See, a little light flashing and everything. I'm tempted to open this up because sometimes the SBM10s, or the SBM20s rather, do get damaged in transport. And the plate's not doing jack shit. Oh, no, there it goes. But anyway, yeah, hopefully if you buy one of these things, it's not as much of a disappointment as this one has been for me. Because that's not really doing much of anything. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you know why this thing's not reading anything, other than the fact that it's, you know, Soviet and 30 years old, then please say so in the comments because I am at a loss. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.